good afternoon. How are you all doing? Happy Sunday. Buongiorno tutti. So today is Sunday and we are coming back from church. Hi Caleb. Hi people. Hi Favour. Hi people. Where is my boy Joshua? Say hi. Hi. Car owner is at the back. Hi. Boom.
How are you guys people?
Hey Favour, don't speak what they will not hear. So we are coming back from church and yes. Are you feeling my scarf? I'm feeling my scarf. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. It's very hot.
So my AC is no longer working.
The AC is working. You know, you just put it on. Bobo, wait, it will soon be cold, okay? I'll be cool. It will soon be cool.
My AC, I don't blame you.
I'm feeling my scarf. If you want a tutorial, I'll leave the video in the description box below so you can go and learn how I did this. Gorgeous, so beautiful. I love it.
Let's check another church to see food. Hi guys. Mama wants to see. Hi.
Old man.
Good evening.
Good evening. No, it's afternoon, Favour. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Look at my shoe.
Your shoe? Wow, bello shoe. Bellissimo. Bello shoe. Joshua, they can't see you. You are sitting at the very back. Back. Sorry, they can't see you. Well, right now we are not going home, really. We are going somewhere, so I will talk to you guys later, okay? Ciao. You didn't say hi. You didn't say hi to my people.
Hi, my people.
Yes. How are you? They are all fine. Okay, no, I will not answer for you. Answer in the comments. He said, how are you? So answer in the comment section, okay? Ci vediamo dopo. We'll talk to you guys later. Bye. This place is so noisy and dark. I hope you guys can hear me. Well, we came for a child dedication. Oh my God. I will probably talk to you later, okay? Because this place is so noisy. So noisy. Waiting for our food to arrive. is our food. This is our second plate. Chicken, potatoes, and spinach. Favour seems to love the spinach very well.
I eat it.
You eat it in your school?
Yes.
Eh. That's good, Favour. Bravo. My cake is here. Oh. Hallelujah. You want to eat? Oh yeah, it's time to eat cake.
Yes.
Hi guys, so we are done with the dedication party and we are on our way going back home. So we just stopped here now to buy diesel. So yeah, it was so beautiful, joyous, entertaining. Look at what I got. Jollof fries. The white people gave us what I don't know. Their food was tasty though, but I'm not feeling it at all. This is what I wanted. They shared this one when we were going, so as you can see, it's takeaway. And then I have some chin chin here. I still have 3 packs of this in the boot. 3 of this now. And I also got this. A friend of mine gave me this, so she made it specially for me. Can you see, guys? This is just for me. Look at that fish roll. I've tasted it. It tastes so good. It tastes so good, I'm telling you. Very sweet. So guys, we are back home now. I'm so tired, like seriously. I am super tired right now. I need to chill, relax, and then know what else to do. We just came in now, just now. It was awesome, guys. It was very awesome. It's been a hectic day since morning, since we woke up around 5:30 this morning, and the time now is, let me check, where is my phone? look at the time now, guys. 6:26. That's the time. So I hope you guys are doing well. This child dedication we went today is one of the best. Like, guys, the story behind this child dedication, I'm telling you, God is faithful. God is awesome. Like, God never fails. He has never failed, and he can never fail. This baby we went to dedicate today is indeed a miracle. Though we didn't go when they dedicated the child in church. We met them at the reception. But I'm telling you guys, this baby is a miracle. Like, this baby came after 15 years, guys. 15 years, if I'm not mistaken. And I'm telling you right now that that thing you think has delayed, that it's not fast coming, don't worry. Still have faith and believe. God will still do it for you. He did it for this family, and he will do it for you. If you have been in that shoe for years, keep trusting him. He has never failed. I tell you, keep trusting him. He will do it for you. This woman today, she was just so happy. Like, oh, I thank God for her. I'm so happy for her. God, this is just like, I don't know. This is awesome, guys. She's now with her baby. Like, if you see this baby, very healthy and beautiful. She's a baby girl. She's so beautiful. Oh my God, she looks like her mom. So beautiful. So do not lose hope and trust in God. He will still do it for you. That God that did it for this family will do it for you. Okay, that's what I'm leaving you with today. I'll talk to you guys probably tomorrow, next tomorrow. I don't know when next I'll be picking up my camera, but anytime I will definitely come back and talk to you guys. For now, bye guys.